Hi, this is Lisa Christensen and we are at L&L Outdoors, and I'm really excited because, as you all know, I have been to Durango, Colorado, and I rode my bicycle up the mountain. It was so exciting, but I've been missing my firearms and my firearms instructor and L&L and everyone inside, so let's go surprise them and say hi. All right, come on. I would be loud, but I don't know. Where's Joey? Oh, there you are. Where's Joey?
Joey's not here. He's on vacation.
What?
He says he's on vacation. I think he's practicing shooting somewhere. Believe that?
Don't be.
I guarantee he's having to practice trying to get as good as me.
I know.
That's what I think.
That is true because you are like the bomb.
That's right. I didn't know that too. How are you doing?
I'm doing really good. I'm excited. So yesterday I went outside. Or was that today? Whatever day it was when I called you to do it this morning or yesterday.
Yep.
Went to the chicken house and I had my tennis shoes on. I wasn't smart enough to put my boots on. It was early and I was just trying to be fast. And that's when I called you and I thought, oh man,
Need some muck.
yeah, I got to do that. So yeah, I wanted you to show me those and tell me all about those.
I've got those set to the side here.
All right. Oh, those are gorgeous.
Woody Max
I love those.
in the pink.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Can I try it on to make
Absolutely.
sure? Is it the right size? Let's see here. Let's see if I got the right size. And then I'm going to ask you about a gun that I'm thinking about.
Okay.
Okay. I hear my gun that I really want is on order.
A lot of guns are on order right now. It is hard to get some stuff. We're trying though.
That's a good thing. That means you're busy.
That's right.
So how should they feel? Kind of loose?
Yep, a little bit. So like in the wintertime you can wear thicker socks with those.
Okay.
Or you can keep a thinner sock on and let your feet kind of have like a sense of insulation for cooling, so that they have a little air around them. So
Okay.
you don't want them too tired to sweat.
Cool beans. All right. I like them. That feels like they fit.
Perfect.
I love it. I love the pink. That is so cool.
You just had to tell me what color and what size. I knew what you needed.
I saw those and I was like, that is so me. I mean, if you're going to be out with the chickens, you got to look cute, right?
That's right.
I mean, because the chickens are cute.
That's what Kobe always says. He likes to look cute with his chickens.
Well, the chickens are cute, so we have competition out there, you know?
That's right.
They're cool.
That used 22 revolver was what, 10 or 12 shots that we sell it. They're in the short of 10 days to get a kid. I don't think
These are double action, right?
yeah, they're not pink though.
They're not pink though? What color are they?
I got mine during the winter, like the end of winter. I'm thinking, and I got the winterized ones. It's like up to, are they supposed to keep your feet warm to like -40?
Oh,
And I might get some more. Then I'll have winter and summertime ones.
now see, you just taught me something new because I thought
They have like
they were just...
really, they get hot.
Oh, okay. So that means when winter comes, I have to get another pair.
No. I just got the cold ones and I didn't realize it.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of hats, do you have a pink
Yep.
one?
Yep.
Oh, look at those while we're waiting. I know Joey sent me a video one day. He was like, look at these again. Okay. Oh, you want these? Oh, that's a tough choice. Right? That's a tough call. Which one looks more like me?
Match your boots.
Think to match me? I think so too. Let's see about that. I'll take them up.
That's fine.
These are so cool. Okay. I like your hat.
I'm glad he found
So
it.
it matches your shirt.
Looking.
That's a good thing. So I'm excited. Are you
So
gonna
we'll
come
start
shoot
here
us?
at number 9.
Okay.
Yeah, Joey got, he stippled, or he lasered my gun the other day. I went to his house and made
Did you bring it?
Yeah,
Let me see.
made some more holsters and stuff.
How was the Iron Man?
Oh my God, it was so good. It was really good. Did you see the picture?
I didn't see him actually.
I love this. Don't put it away yet. So since you didn't see the picture, I just have to show it to you because it is, after all, Colorado, which is only the most gorgeous place in the world. And it really, truly, it is my most favorite thing to do other than shooting my guns. And so anyway, this is the top of Molass Pass, and it was a really super exciting ride. But let's get back to Muck Boots and Guns.